Hello my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. When you like and subscribe and share, it helps my videos and my channel reach more people. So thank you for your support. Today we're going to do some vocal warm-ups and exercises for high voices. Whether you have a naturally high range or you're looking to expand your range higher or just sing easier into your higher register, these exercises are for you. Now, in order to sing to the extremes of our ranges, it's very important that we have a good balance of relaxation and support. Let's take a few extra moments today to relax and stretch. Maybe allow your head to fall gently forward and release any tight muscles. You can allow it to swing a bit from side to side. Just make sure that all of your movements feel gentle. Sitting or standing tall, let's take a couple of low, natural breaths, looking for and releasing tension. You might try shaking out your arms or introducing just a little bit of gentle movement and then come back to center. Let's sing either on a lip trill or a tongue trill on. Now a tongue trill is like blowing a raspberry. I like this because it really helps keep the air flowing and it gets the tongue out of the way. Give it a try. Let's try an exercise now to release the jaw. Let's sing. La, 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 la. The goal here is to have some easy release and movement in the jaw and tongue. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Starting in our mid to upper range and descending, let's sing on money. Money, 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 money. We want to use this singable M to bring a sensation of focus to the tone. Here we go. Money, 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 money. 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 Let's sing now on ga ga ga. We'll sing ga 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 ga. This will ensure a neutral and flexible larynx position. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 Again now from high to low, bringing the focus back to releasing the jaw. Let's sing on fa E, like fa E, kind of a pitched, guided siren. We will sing Zia. Let's feel like this is a gentle swing with a release at the top. Again, that's Zia. Here we go. Zia. 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 If you're keeping track, that was a high D. It is imperative that as we extend into our highest range, that we remain both relaxed but also focused on engaging the correct muscles. We don't generally want to just throw more air into the mix. We do want to coordinate the breath and make sure that the amount and the velocity of air is exactly what we need. This does take some practice and some experimentation. This next exercise will allow us to open up into our high range as we repeat the top note, like Z. Again, that's Z. Here we go. Z. Let's relax into some lower sounds with Here we go. This next exercise will allow us to take a semi-occluded and supportive V sound and move it into a free and open E vowel. We will sing Here we go. I really love working on arpeggios to free up our high range. Let's finish up with za 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 like this. Za 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 za. That's Z as in zebra, followed by either an ah or an vowel, or somewhere in between, whatever feels great to you today. If it feels good to incorporate movement into this exercise, please feel free to do so. Here we go. Za 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 za. 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 Za 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 side down. Thanks so much for singing with me today. I hope you're feeling warmed up. I will see you next time.